Here's how to speed up video on an iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can speed up video on your iPhone device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. By the end of this video, you'll learn how you can speed up videos on your iPhone device. So as you know, you cannot officially speed up videos on your iPhone device by any settings or editing on your Photos app, but there is an app which you could use to speed up your videos. So what is that app? That app is basically CapCut, and you can just search it up just like that, or you can just download it directly from your App Store by just simply going to App Store and searching up CapCut. And you'll just find it right over here. And this is the app that you're gonna need. Okay, so what you need to do, just open up CapCut, and we're just gonna skip this ad right away. It has a lot of ads in it, but like, yeah, here we are. And here, as you can see, that you need to be on this video area. You need to put in the video right over here. As you can see, it's in your projects, and once you got the video, what you need to do is just simply tap on the video on your timeline right over here, and you'll see the second option called speed. Right next to split, you'll see speed. You just need to press on that, and then you'll see three options: normal, curve, velocity. So you just gotta go ahead and press on the option of normal, and then increase it to whatever you'd like to, just like 2 seconds to 2 times 5x or maybe even 100x, and it would basically turn it into a 0. And yeah, here as you can see, it's the video got too much faster, like it's 0.1 seconds. So like, if I want to go for it, I'm just gonna make it 2x and make it more shorter, and here we are. As you can see, it's gonna go for 5x, and the video is gonna be sped up just like that. And yeah, you just need to press this done icon after that, and you're good to go. You can just export the video by just pressing on the export option. And yeah, this is it on how you can speed up video on an iPhone. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.